if you have FAQs, between 5 and 10% more chances that the page would be picked up by bots. Do FAQ actually boost GEO performance? It's a good question. We've tried to answer it with the data approach, of course. So what we've tried to do is to set up an ABC test. We took a big customer of us that was generating 15,000 pages with our technology, 15,000 V pages as we call them. And we've created 3 buckets of 5,000 pages, one where we don't do anything, one where we actually generate FAQs in a specific way, more user-focused, and one where we generate FAQs that are more technically oriented, like fan-out, try to please this fan-out process. So we have 3 groups. We first created these groups really based on the fact that each group has a similar amount of pages, but pages were very similar, all category pages, and all with kind of the same metrics on average. Same position, same traffic, and so on. And then we've analyzed what happens. The best way for us to analyze this, because LLM tracking is always a bit complex, for us the most relevant and the most accurate way to do this is to measure how often, for example, ChatGPT user bot is actually visiting the page. So we know in that case that we are kind of influencing a conversation somewhere on ChatGPT. So we look at how often the bots are visiting the pages of group A, group B, group C. And there what we could see was that if you have FAQs, whether it's user-oriented or bot-oriented, in the end it's kind of the same, but between 5 and 10% more chances that the page would be picked up by bots. So it has an interesting impact, 5 to 10, so it's not huge, but it's something. Another way to actually measure the impact is to look in the Bing Webmaster Tool. You might know that they have now a new section where you can actually know how many times a source, a URL has been used to influence a discussion. Of course, it's only for Copilot, but still it's a certain audience. And there we see between 25 and 50% improvement. So pages with FAQ, again, whatever the type of FAQ is a bit the same, but between 25 and 50%, depending on the days. So it has a really, really big impact.